My dear viewers, now discuss some example of physical change which are irreversible. Normally, physical change the reversible, but physical change occur of the substance, color, odors, and others physical property, but not change of the composition, not change the chemical reaction. Some example the physical change which are irreversible, that is cutting the glass, pulverization, a rock are example of irreversible physical change. Okay, coughing oats for a hair also represent an irreversible physical change, cannot be put back together to form the tree. Okay, some example, that is cutting of paper, pellet, orange pieces, tomatoes, hair cutting, etc. Okay, my dear viewers, any query please comment in box.